Hi.
Do you have tickets for today?
I don't.
Okay, so if you just go down this ramp to the left at the bottom, you can purchase tickets down there.
Perfect. Thank you. Will do. Hello. Yes. Yes.
Okay, we can help you over here.
Right over here.
Hi.
Do you guys know if you qualify for any of these discounts here?
No.
Alright, no worries.
Thank you.
We do close at 5, just a quick reminder.
Cool.
You are going to have to bring along 2 adult tickets. And do you need a parking pass while you're here with me too? For the parking lot under the highway?
Yeah, we thought we pay there. Or...
You can pay there or here, doesn't matter which.
Oh, we'll pay here. Get it done with.
That'll come to $50. You guys pay cash or card?
Cash.
Alright.
50.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. How many stories does this place have?
We have 4 floors with exhibits on them.
Oh, 4.
Alright, here's $50 back.
Thank you.
Can I get a zip code from you?
48313.
And I can highly recommend the dinosaur floor. If you go straight up the escalator after you guys scan your tickets in, it takes you all the way up to the 4th floor with some really nice views of Dallas.
Cool.
And then you'll be right at the dinosaurs.
Can we take the stairs? We're more into stairs kind of people.
No worries. Stairs are also an option. We do also have elevators.
Okay.
Your ticket and your parking voucher will be the bottom 2, or your receipt and your parking voucher will be the bottom 2. Top 2 are your tickets. You'll go right through the big red brackets over there to the self-scanners.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Not a worry. Okay.
If you like travel, check out my channel. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. Cool. Sure. Does that Michigan guy shows on the back? Ah, dang it. Oh.
Scan it right there.
Cool.
You can do my job. We're getting tired.
Sure, I'll do it.
There you go.
Do I get percentage?
You got it. Since I volunteer, it's nothing.
Thank you. No, we're from Michigan.
Oh, wow. Oh, how are you? Work your way all the way to the bottom.
Oh, start from the top. Okay.
Yeah. There's a map if you want to take a picture.
Yeah, I could use that.
Yeah, this is, you're going to end up here. It's pretty cool. Where the dinos are, level 3 are gems and minerals, awesome. Level
I like that.
2 is really neat.
Okay.
Okay, so this will take you to the top.
All right. Thank you very much.
Hello, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
We're not sure about that body cam, but my boss is coming up here to speak with you about it. Hi, guys.
Sure.
She says she's on the way,
Okay.
but usually we don't. She's not sure about it, but we don't allow tripods in. But we have never seen a body cam
Yeah.
like that before.
Yeah.
So she says she's coming up here.
Cool.
So sorry about that.
No, no worries. Okay.
Yes, you did. What is that? I didn't even notice that.
Oh, it's my. I like clip some of the footage. I'm making it a video. I'll put it on my YouTube channel because I like to travel.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, we just got here like 2 hours ago.
Oh, wow.
In and out. That's the first thing we do.
Yep.
Then we
You're
explore.
gonna love Texas.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're heading to
You
Austin.
saved my life because I would have to chase him all the way up there.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't
Oh, that's
No,
good.
thank you.
I'm a fast walker. Yeah, that would be.
Yeah.
Thank you.
But you,
Daddy.
oh, good.
Thank you for being you.
And then you know where all the fun is. Don't forget, this will be good.
What?
It's just my brother went to school in Ann Arbor.
Yeah, U of M. Yeah.
to race the T-Rex down in the lower level. That will be awesome. The sports hall.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's from here to here, you'll race the T-Rex.
Wow, it's like a
It's really
30
good.
feet. Wow.
So go on.
Will do.
So he gets to go, or?
Oh, she's coming.
Oh,
I'm waiting for someone.
Okay. What's the weather there? Is it rainy and cold?
It was beautiful when we left.
It was?
Yeah. When we come back, it'll be crabby again.
Yeah.
Raining.
Yeah.
It rains in summer a little bit.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, 'cause you may have to switch to your phone instead. I'm so sorry about
Can I what?
Can you switch to your phone instead?
I'll.
You may
Can I
have
just wait
to.
for her?
Yeah.
And we'll talk to her. Then we'll decide.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's kind of the same thing as a phone.
Oh.
If you're doing no, I meant for them. If you're doing a video, it's the same thing as a phone.
We'll see.
Oh, here she is. She's right there.
Hi.
We actually have very weird rules about cameras in the museum. They're technically a media thing,
Yeah.
and we have to have prior knowledge and permission for media stuff.
Oh, so how about taking pictures?
Taking photos is perfectly fine. Cameras we have to say no to.
Oh, okay.
Like video camera stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, absolutely photos, yes. But we can't use selfie sticks because, you know, if you poke my dinosaurs, then I'm just going to go crazy.
Yeah.
But the camera, the like video footage camera type thing,
Yeah.
that falls under the media permission category. If you get permission from our media department to do it, all day long.
Oh, I see.
But I have to know in advance
Oh, okay.
so that we won't stop you and be like, sir.
Oh. No, that's fine. I didn't know.
No, honey,
I don't look at
It
signs when
falls-
I
it's a
walk in. I
weird-
just walk in. Yeah.
technology is hitting me in the back so hard right now.
Yeah.
Like we're trying to keep up so fast, but there's so many cool things coming out.
Yeah.
I have one too. Like I have a camera that I got after like all the weird stuff that was going on. I was like, it might be kind of cool.
Yeah, it is.
Still weird to wear though, even for me.
Oh.
And I work here. But,
Yeah, it's like I've worn this even in the airports. They don't say anything.
Oh yeah. Well,
Yeah, I didn't
here
think.
we get a lot of news stuff like, hey, people out in the public doing stuff, and
Oh.
we just have to. Our media rules are.
No, you're fine. I didn't know.
Yeah. Well, we don't want to obstruct you or anything like that, but we do have to ask that you.
No, I'll turn it off. It's running. So